Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont. Today we are at 6 Bellevue Terrace in the gorgeous coastal suburb of Swanbourne, Western Australia. We are literally steps away from Scotch College, steps away from Lake Claremont and the Scotch College playing fields. This location absolutely cannot be beat, and I can't wait to show you the property. Let's start from the outside. 6 Bellevue Terrace is on a beautifully elevated block, 480 square meters. We are north facing. East facing is that way. You have beautiful vistas towards the northeast over the playing fields, that direction. It's absolutely just, the morning light is stunning here, especially from this beautiful balcony. When you wrap around here, I will meet you in just a moment at the front door. And hello. Come on through. Who doesn't love a good entry foyer into a beautiful property? And once you come through and step into the main living room connected to dining and kitchen, you can't help but notice the sheer size of this living space. Cathedral high ceilings, windows on the north, east, and south side are going to continuously bathe this whole living space with natural light year-round. Absolutely stunning. You've got a fireplace over here. We'll see this later in the videos where you go downstairs to access the garage, storage room, and generously sized workshop. Now, as you'll notice, the easy flow right into the kitchen, lots of storage, beautiful. It's a French provincial style inspired kitchen, lots of storage. You've got, let me show you these as well, just to show you the recess, this benchtop island, very generous and beautiful. And it wraps around so we can go outside to the alfresco. Much more privacy here, east facing, beautiful garden style alfresco in the summer and spring. There's been beautiful vines that cover this, so it's a very green, very fresh space to be in. The property does have ducted reverse cycle AC throughout. And here you'll see a very lovely home office, which can be converted into a fourth bedroom if needed, but these days, who doesn't love a good home office? And now we'll go into the second part of the home. There's very good separation here in the design of this home. We'll come into the master bedroom. Again, there is access out to the alfresco, generous walk-in robes, and ensuite beautiful carpet throughout, cream carpet, very lush, feels very luxurious. Again, as this is a family home, every family home needs lots of storage, which you have plenty of throughout the home. And here you have a great laundry room. I love the black and white checkered tiles. You know, when I was a kid growing up in Portland, Oregon, I had black and white checkered tiles in my bedroom because I thought they were so cool. So I love that when I see that in a home. Powder room, and then here is the second living space. Very large room. You can even make it a small home theater, but just having, especially if you've got teenage kids, you want that second living space for them, which also connects them to the very back part of the home, which is the second and third bedroom with second bathroom. Bathroom with a nice bathtub. Very important if you like your baths or if you've got little kids, which I do. Having 3 kids without a bath is just unthinkable. And in the second bedroom, you've got this wonderful walk-in robe. And then here in the final and third bedroom, also again, you'll note the high ceilings, very large rooms with built-ins as well. So as you've seen in the home, all of the living is on one level, which makes it very easy, very convenient to live here. And now we'll go downstairs so you can see the cellar, the garage, the storage room, and the workshop. So let's go this way. It's always great to have some good storage under the stairs. For a lot of people use it for a wine store, but anything else you want. Here we're in very generous double garage, and here is the workshop, which I'm sure for someone could double is even more storage. There's never enough storage anywhere, is there, right? No, there is a lot here. So, and then here is, yet again, another storage room. Thank you for viewing 6 Bellevue Terrace in Swanbourne. If you have any questions about the property, or if you'd like to inspect, or if you'd like to make an offer, call me, 0416-657-300. My name is Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.